Hello, I am Olivier from Boost My Shop. In this first video, I'm going to guide you through your onboarding, which is split in 3 parts. First, your My Fulfillment account creation, then, how to configure general settings, carriers templates, and last but not least, link My Fulfillment with your website. It can either be PrestaShop, Magento, or Shopify. Let's go. When your Boost My Shop subscription is validated, you will receive a confirmation email with your subscription's informations. At the bottom of the email, you will find a button inviting you to start your configuration. By clicking on this button, you will be taken to a first form that will ask you to create your account. Fill in your email, your first name, your last name, a password that you will have to use to log in, and finally the language. Once the form is validated, a summary of the information is displayed. You will also receive an email, and you can log into the app. Enter your username and password and log into My Fulfillment. When you first set up, the startup wizard will automatically launch. In this wizard, you will need to fill in your company details, your shipping methods, connect My Fulfillment to your CMS, and complete the setup. By clicking on your company, you will first be asked to enter your language and currency. Clicking on Continue, fill in your company details. The manager contact, potentially a logo, preferred .jpeg format, and a phone number. Once the information is filled in, click on the Continue button. At this point, we have set up the company information, so we can move on to step 2, your carrier templates and shipping methods. Click on the shipping methods. You have at your disposal all the carriers supported by Boost My Shop. I will take Carissimo as an example. Click on Carissimo. The first question will be, do you have your Carissimo login details? If you have them, simply continue. If you don't, then select No and click on Continue. If you don't have your login informations, the configuration stops here for this carrier when you close the window. I see that Carissimo has been filled in. I can choose another carrier, let's say Chronopost, and then I'll go back to the same process. Depending on the carrier, the information to be filled in is obviously different. Once you have configured the carriers you want, you can simply close this window to move on to the third section. In this third section, you will need to link My Fulfillment to your website by clicking on the Shop section. At this point, you will be offered the different CMS managed by My Fulfillment, namely Magento, Magento 2, PrestaShop, and Shopify. In this tutorial, I'm going to set up a Magento 2 store, though the logic remains the same for other CMS. When you click on Magento 2, a welcome text explaining the different steps appears. I click on Continue. At this point, to link Magento 2, we will enter a URL, a login, and a password. On the right-hand side, for each CMS, you will find some informations and some help content. I click on Continue. At this point, the system will check that the connection with Magento 2 is working, and if yes, the catalog import will start. However, to import the products, we will need to define 3 informations: the attribute containing your barcodes, the one containing your manufacturer, and eventually the one corresponding to the manufacturer part number. If you don't know them, don't worry, just click on Continue. Once the attributes have been associated, the product's import will start. Don't be surprised if the import takes 30 seconds to 1 minute to start. This is quite normal. The product import has just started. You can follow the progress on the screen. Once all the products have been imported, the system will ask you if you want to import the stock, i.e. initialize the stock in My Fulfillment to what you have in Magento. Select yes or no and continue. The next step is to import the orders. In order to import orders, Boost My Shop will have to recognize your shipping and payment methods. In this case, Boost My Shop has identified from Magento, the Federal Express carrier, the flat rate carrier, and a Checkmo payment method. So for each of these methods in your CMS, you have selected a corresponding method in Boost My Shop. Once the configuration is done, click on Continue. Now Boost My Shop has the necessary information to start importing your orders. The order import will be done over the last 15 days. Again, this may take a few seconds to start, so don't worry. So the order import is in progress. Once it's finished, we click the Continue button. And that's it. Finally, My Fulfillment and Magento are well connected. We have completed the main setup steps. I can now click on the Configuration is Complete button. You will be given not only the elements to get help, namely the startup guide and the knowledge base, but also some best practices to use in terms of testing, and finally some recommendations on going live. When everything is clear for you, access the application and enter My Fulfillment. You can do a quick test and look at the product and order listings, for example. This is done via the Products tab where I will find the products for my Magento site. As an aside, the images are brought in later, so don't be surprised. And if I consult the Sales and Orders tab, I'll find all the orders from the last 15 days. That's it for this first part. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you having an overview of my fulfillment's onboarding. Next, I propose you to learn with me how to prepare orders in my fulfillment. Have a great day.